Hello and welcome to Top 10 channel. There are always new devices, gizmos, and gadgets on the market, all promising to make our lives simpler, more enjoyable, or just less complicated. Manufacturers are increasingly utilizing cutting-edge technological trends like artificial intelligence, AI, and the Internet of Things, IoT, to make devices that are smarter and easier to incorporate into our daily lives. Therefore, I thought it would be a good idea to take a look at some of the most useful or intriguing gadgets that have recently come to our attention, as well as a few upcoming devices that are expected to make a splash in the upcoming year. Some of them could be entertaining toys, some of them could be actually helpful, and some of them might even be able to save your life. Before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have anything to add. Stay tuned. Number 10. Time Kettle Translation Earbuds. Time Kettle claims to have developed the most potent and technologically advanced set of real-time, AI-powered translation earbuds ever. The WT2, M3, and WT2 Plus earbuds enable translation in a variety of situations, from business meetings to brief conversations while traveling to phone calls. They are available in a range of models targeted at professional, casual, and travel users. This implies that you can speak normally while having the earbuds translate as you speak. The more expensive models allow up to 6 people to talk at once in 40 different languages, ranging from Arabic to Vietnamese. Number 9. Go Cycle G4. Until now, electric bikes have frequently suffered from a lack of portability, despite the fact that they offer a convenient and environmentally friendly way to get around urban environments. However, the G4 from Go Cycle is one of the first of a new generation of fully foldable electric bikes that can be transformed into a more manageable form that is simple to take on public transportation or even to pack away in a car for trips or longer journeys. Although the G4 is not cheap, it may be a worthwhile investment if you live in an urban area and need a vehicle that has the power, portability, and performance to serve as your primary mode of transportation. Number 8. DJI Avata. In recent years, many of us have learned how much fun drones can be and how they can also be used to record beautiful photos and videos. For those who want to experience the thrills of first-person flying, DJI's newest product, one of the industry leaders in consumer drone technology, is designed. The DJI Avata is made to offer a completely immersive flying experience through a wide field of view headset that truly conveys the sensation of fast flight from the airborne drone to the user on the ground. The rugged design aids in minimizing damage if the drone were to accidentally crash, and the motion controller simulates the feel of a joystick for intuitive hand control. Number 7. GE Profile Smart Mixer. The GE Smart Mixer is a high-tech kitchen assistant that weighs out the proper amounts of ingredients automatically using an internal scale and walks users through recipes with step-by-step instructions. In order for the device to provide real-time suggestions while preparing snacks and meals, sensors detect the texture and consistency of mixtures. Additionally, it works with Google Home and Amazon Echo gadgets, enabling full voice control. Number 6. Alexa Mask. This smart mask was first introduced a few years ago during a wave of technological innovation aimed at addressing issues brought on by the worldwide COVID-19 pandemic. The Alexa mask has gone through several iterations and is now marketed as offering protection against viruses, bacteria, and atmospheric pollutants. This is because of its polyethylene terephthalate filters, which trap particles inside mesh textile fabrics while deactivating and rendering them inert through exposure to antiseptic and antibiotic copper as well as ultraviolet light rays projected onto a photocatalytic silver surface. As pollutants pass through the mask during this process, both organic and non-organic pollutants are neutralized as threats. Number 5. Ring Always Home Drone Camera. An autonomous drone designed to patrol your property is the newest addition to Ring's line of smart home security products. This gives you the ability to keep an eye on areas that static security cameras can't see. The Always Home Drone Cam, which had been hinted at since 2020, was finally displayed at this year's CES in prototype form. Its availability date is still unknown, but reports indicate that it will cost around $250, which seems reasonable for such a high-tech piece of home security equipment. In addition to possibly alerting you to intruders, it might also be helpful for forgetful homeowners who want to make sure they didn't leave the windows open or the stove on. Number 4. Life is Home Defibrillator. The Life is Home Defibrillator, which was unveiled at CES this year, is the first defibrillator ever created to be kept in private homes. In essence, it gives us the ability to save someone from a fatal cardiac arrest into our own homes. Although it has reportedly already been installed in over 100,000 homes in Europe and has reportedly saved 17 lives there, it is still awaiting FDA approval there. Number 3. Withings U-Scan. Did you know that your urine contains more than 3,000 metabolites? These metabolites can be used to create a detailed picture of our health, offering early signs of a number of illnesses as well as suggestions for diet and exercise. Withings, a manufacturer of smart devices, has developed the U-Scan in response to this. The first hands-free connected home urine lab is a gadget that sits in a toilet bowl and is ready to take samples whenever it is used. Doctors can use an optional for professionals cartridge to enable advanced data collection and analytics for clinical trials as well as long-term monitoring of daily changes in patients' health. Number 2. Apple Watch Ultra. While Apple has been producing consumer smart watches for a while, a brand new model was unveiled in late 2022 with the intention of taking on recently released high-end sports and luxury models from rivals like Garmin and Tag Heuer. The Apple Watch Ultra is more robust and long-lasting than any other Apple Watch because of its titanium casing. Additionally, it has a stronger S8 processor, a screen that is scratch-resistant and brighter, and a battery that can go almost twice as long between charges. A depth gauge and a water temperature sensor are two new sensors that are both geared toward divers. Number 1. Meta Quest 3 and Meta Quest Pro. The following model in the consumer-oriented headset line, the Meta Quest 3, will likely be sold at a reduced price to attract more users to the ecosystem. The headset is anticipated to be more of an evolution than a revolution from the current Quest, lacking features like eye tracking that are anticipated in the higher-end headsets of the future. The Quest Pro, on the other hand, is designed for professionals who want to get involved in creating the virtual worlds that will make up the metaverse and is intended for productivity use. Thank you for your interest. We are happy that you watched the entire video to its conclusion. Please leave a comment if you have anything to say after clicking the subscribe and like buttons. Thank you for coming.